everybody, and today we will be making a potato launcher. And here are things you're going to need. A 4-inch clean out, an end cap, a 2-inch PVC pipe of about 4 feet, 4-inch PVC pipe with a hole in it. You can just drill that hole in, whatever. About 2 feet long, some PVC pipe cement, and a 4-inch to 2-inch reducer. Duct tape, electrical tape, a drill, and a
3/4 inch drill bit. That's how this hole got here. We already drilled the hole.
It can fit my nose.
A spark igniter for a grill.
Yeah.
This one came with extra parts, but we don't need all the parts.
Yeah.
Did we say epoxy? We need epoxy.
Yeah. Oh, really? What's that?
Oh, this is the cleaner for the PVC. And that's about it.
Yes.
All right, now, where's everybody going?
Oh, never mind.
We don't need to change nothing.
I just cut it out.
All right, well, we're going to take this, let's put the igniter in first.
Yay! Sparks! Yay!
Oh, you?
What?
Okay, first I'm going to try to get this igniter in this 3/4 inch hole. That means we got to use our epoxy. Mix this together. You probably don't need this really super good epoxy that I have, but I just so happen to already have this. I'll put some on here. And stick it in the hole.
Now that's gonna stay there good.
And I got, oh, it came with this little nut, so I'm going to try to put this little nut on inside. Okay, this is what it looks like when you got your igniter installed inside. Push the button. Alright, we got the igniter in the 3/4 inch hole. Now we just got to glue the rest together. Take your cleaner. You want to... Here, I'll let you clean that inside of that one. Stand up, I don't want it getting all over you. Gotta clean these off. Nope, get it.
Goes everywhere.
Oh yeah, I got it all over my finger now. You want to get as good a seal as you can get on this. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area because this stuff kind of stinks. Let's glue this on. Push. Put that on a little bit, turn it, make sure. Alright, that's good to go.
Dad, I put this. Holy, that dries quick.
Yeah, here we go. Let's try it on there. And put your 4-inch to 2-inch reducer on the other end. I'll get the glue. This glue is really stinky stuff.
He's right, that is stinky.
Yeah, it's not very good. That's why I said do this in a well-ventilated area. that one. That one's easy. Clean the inside of this one, and we'll clean outside of this one. Hold that for a few seconds. Okay, me and my boy got it all glued up. Oh, I got one more step. I mean, you can leave it just like this if you want, but for safety purposes, I'm going to use some duct tape, really good, strong duct tape, and I'm going to wrap it all over this 4-inch piece, just in case something would ever happen. This duct tape, I think, will keep it all together.
Speed it up.
This is definitely not a toy. If you're making these, make sure you stay around and help your kids out. Alright, let's put this around there. Here, how about... Okay, we got it all put together, and I got the duct tape all around there for safety. After you get this all glued up, make sure you let it sit for about 24 hours before you decide to go try to fire it. Alright, time to shoot the potato gun. Well, also, I sharpened up the end of this, so when you go to put the potatoes in, it makes it a lot easier. Just put that potato in there. Just use a piece of sandpaper and you can sharpen that. Just tap it in. Give me the ramrod. I took an old broomstick and I marked it with a piece of tape so you know how far down, so you don't push it all the way down into your... Make sure you're with your kids if you're going to let your kids shoot this. Okay, hold that. Come over here.
What about that?
Yeah, I'll get it. Got it? Can you hold it?
Kind of.
I'm using starting fluid. You take this end off.
Oh no.
It's alright, it ain't going to do nothing. I'm going to try 1 squirt. I already did this with 2. Put that on. Make sure you put this all the way on. Don't have to be tight, but just all the way. Alright, you got your hearing protection on. We got it hold up. Point it that way.
Can I do it?
Yep, push the button.
You do it.
Haha! 1 little squirt did it. Hold this cap in your hand. And with this starting fluid, you just 2 little squirts and put it on right away.
Why do you have to do it on right away?
Don't put too many squirts of that in because it actually won't even fire. You need to still have oxygen in here for that to fire. Here. Try laying it like that. Look, try. Okay, go.
Aim at it.
Woo! Isn't that cool?
My turn.
That freaking thing shoots. All right. That thing sounds awesome, huh? You got it. Okay, ready? You can see me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Holy cross, that's so
How many sprays did you put?
I don't know, that seemed louder, huh?
That was.
I think when you load this thing, I think the best thing is take your end cap off and like blow. Get some good oxygen in there.
Can I shoot it now? I wanna make.
Not push the button when you got the end cap off, because that could blow up in your face. All right. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, crap.
That went far. It went far and fast.
Let's see how high we can get one.
Oh my gosh!
Woo!
I didn't even see it on the way down.
I think I almost hit that airplane.
What?
I almost hit that airplane.
No, you done. I can't see it.
I think you shot it out over them trees. You would like to say it?
Please leave a like and subscribe.
Click in our picture in the corner, and make sure you subscribe so you can see the next project that we're gonna put together. I'm not
Next
sure.
marvelous project.
I'm sure what it's gonna be.
And remember to hit that bell to never miss one of our marvelous videos.
And have a wonderful day.
Or evening, depending on when you're watching this.